enjira y'omwegyemure ekasiga ebintu bicwekyerire omwanya ogu na n'ishomero rya Kibumba Primary School ryatabama aha 7 by'okwezi kwa kane omwaka ogw'2024 kandi ishomero eri ryosire n'orubuga n'obuzibu nk'obu. Abaturage batungira amajerikani amasefuriya okuruga omu kitongole kya Red Cross kikwatanise na Ministry y'ebyobwegyese n'emizaano.
To support the response operations of the district.
My sincere appreciation to the Red Cross, UNHCR, World Food Program, UNICEF, and so on. Because last year you helped us.
Commissioner wa Basic Education Ministry y'ebyobwegyese n'emizaano Dr. Cleophas Mugenyi ajwekire Ministry ekwatanise na Red Cross okutongoza kw'ishomero eryombekirwe Red Cross omuringo gwa tenti.
When disasters of this nature happen, we should be able to work together as a team to address such a challenge. And I want to thank the CAO here for emphasizing the point of local solutions.
Ayonjire yashaba abakuru b'ekanisa ya Church of Uganda okugira ngu baronde ogundi mwanya murungi bafurire y'ishomero eri baryiho omyanya y'amizi.
In and around the school, it started in 2000. In New Zealand, and it came again in 2013.
Ibibazo byinshi byo twari dufite no kuba amazi yaratwujuririje amazu akaba tutafiteho kurara hamwe n'imyaka yacu yo twakariye.
Bari kuvuga
shima Red Cross kubwo kutwibuka kubwo kutugerera neza bakaza kutureba uko twabaye. Amazi garatwuzuriranye kandi amazu gacu.
Serukundo owebigwereza hari Kisoro District ahigira abantu okuhinga empinga y'omurembe okwehara okucukuka kw'itaka. Amakuru agagasha kwa Keta tuzarirwe.